I'm just putting the final touches on a jerk chicken pasta salad. This one here real easy to put together. That is the key, eh? Easy and quick. Under what, 30 minutes, maybe less. Anyhow, stay tuned. You're gonna love this one, man. And I use tomatoes from the garden too. Look at the big mako pieces of jerk chicken now. Oh God! Pasta into boiling salted water. And over here I have my non-stick pan on a medium flame, and we gotta quickly season the chicken. And as promised by the title of this video, this is the quickest, easiest jerk chicken pasta salad you will ever make. With that in mind, very simple. 2 chicken breasts, and I am from the Caribbean. I wash my meat, so I washed it with cool water and the juice of a lime. You can use lemon, you can use vinegar. If washing meat is not your thing, please skip that step. It's how I was brought up. Anyhow, pat it dry, yeah? A bit of salt. You can't go too heavy on that because here's where the easy comes in. Store-bought jerk marinade, yeah? Boom, in there. And I want a bit of olive oil in there. That's it. That is the seasoning, ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not. Now all I'm gonna do is work that jerk marinade, and there are really good jerk marinades that you can get over the counter in the stores, yeah? However, if you want to make your own, you got the time and you want to head over to CaribbeanPot.com, I've got a couple wonderful jerk marinades waiting for you all there. Yeah, did I mention skinless, boneless chicken breast? That is what we have here. And I'm just gonna hit that a toss. You don't need this to marinate for long, just as long as I want this to be quick also, so not just easy and simple, and it has to be quick as well. Pasta boiling, we got that jerk chicken seasoning on there, that marinade, and that is spicy. Later on I'll show you how we'll counterbalance the spicy nature of that. And in that jerk marinade you will expect scotch bonnet, you will expect thyme, pimento berries, scallion, a bit of soy sauce, and that's why I didn't go too heavy with the salt, because I know there's soy sauce in there that's gonna have a salty element. Into a non-stick pan, just gonna toss the chicken in there. And if you remember, in the jerk marinade sort of seasoning that we put in there, we had about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of olive oil in there. All we're gonna do now is cook that. We're gonna give that about 3 or 4 minutes on one side. We're gonna flip it over, and then at that point we'll decide if it's cooked all the way through. If it isn't, you will cook it longer. When I say 3.5 minutes, you're gonna give it another, so in total anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes anyway. That's what I wanted to say, yeah? And speaking about quick and easy, yes, we are using store-bought, get a good one, Italian dressing. So that's salad dressing, that's what you're gonna get, but we're gonna enhance it a little bit. So into a bigger bowl, I've got Italian dressing. To that, I wanna put some Dijon mustard, a bit of fresh ground black pepper, just to weaken up everything a bit. And I've got one more thing I want to add in there. I love a little more, yes, there is a garlic flavor in that salad dressing, but I also want 1 clove of garlic that I'm just going to crush into here. And of course, give it that a little scrape like so. All I'm doing is giving that a whisk, and we're just going to set that aside for a few minutes until everything is ready. A little shake there. Turn my heat all the way down to low. It's been about 9 minutes, and what I want to do is grab one of the pieces of chicken, move it over here, and then we're just going to slice it like so. Nice big pieces. You may want to fall apart on you, but that's alright. Don't fall apart. You go in the belly, you can just making it easier for us to chew later on, yeah? Scrape that back into the pan, move it around, and pour honey all over it to help counter the spicy nature of the jerk. That is a black honey that I have. I don't want to waste any, so let me just grab this little spatula here. It's an interesting honey. I've never seen black honey before until this one came across my peripherals. Did that a toss, just to coat all the pieces of chicken with it. And it's going to bring in a bit of sweetness, as I mentioned, to counterbalance the heat from the jerk. The cooked pasta into a large mixing bowl. And while the pasta is still hot, I want to go in with some diced onion. And you can be as creative as you want during this step. I also want bell peppers, and that's just a medley of orange, well, yellow, red, well, is it red? No, orange, yellow, and green. Where's my vision going? And some cherry tomato from my garden. It's a great way to use ingredients which are nice and local and fresh at the moment. Pouring the dressing. I'm just going to scrape that down as well. Waste not, want not. Yeah. And look how easy that was to put together. I just want to give that a toss now while the pasta is still hot. Hit that a toss just to make sure everything gets coated and sort of soften up with the heat from the hot pasta. Sneak in some spinach in there and the jerk chicken. Drippings and everything. And as we did before, we just gotta give that a toss. I love spinach, you know. Maybe I was related to Popeye. But in the Caribbean we call it Baji. Well, in Trinidad and Tobago anyway. Oh, the bitter honey that kiss that jerk at the end there, real nice, boy. And all I want to do is give that a good toss. You know, summertime. We still have a few days left in summer here. Nice warm days. You can make this. We're heading over to somebody's house or something for a little party. Maybe at work have a little potluck. Who knows? You want to give them a nice little quick, easy. Remember, that is the two key words here, quick and easy. Because we use stuff from the grocery store. That jerk marinade from the grocery store, the Italian dressing. Listen, it doesn't get better than this. Yeah, let's look at that. And you can add more spinach, eh? Uncle Chris, hold back because I'm doing a different version of this. One of my daughters here, she don't eat jerk at all. I don't know, yes, they say she's my daughter, but Maury. Anyhow, and there you go. All I did was I topped it with some feta cheese. The cheese is optional, but I think it adds a nice little sort of quality to the entire jerk chicken pasta salad. You can use any cheese you want. Always a pleasure having you all in the kitchen with me. A Caribbean inspired pasta salad, great for the summertime. Quick, easy, simple to put together, and ingredients you can find at the grocery store. Again, head over to caribbeanpot.com where I'll have the printable recipe.